Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject geography, don't forget to subscribe this page and click on bell icon so that you can regularly receive notification of upcoming videos. The learning objectives of today's lesson are: understand Earth's movements, that is rotation and revolution, and their impact on Earth. Explain the concept of solstice, equinox, change of season, formation of day and night. Next, go to our today's lesson, which is about rotation of the Earth. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete. What is rotation on an axis? The Earth rotates on an axis. The axis is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the planet. Students, the axis connects the north and south poles. The Earth's axis does not point straight up or down, but is tilted at 23.5 degree. This picture shows a comparison between Earth and the scatter axis. The only difference is that the scatter axis is straight and the Earth axis is tilted by 23.5 degree. In the same manner as the scatter is rotating, Earth rotates around its axis. The direction of Earth's rotation. Students, the Earth rotates from west to east. The rotation takes 24 hours to complete. It is this rotation that gives us day and night. Only one side of the Earth faces the sun at a time. The side that faces the sun experiences day, while the side that faces away from the sun experiences night. This picture shows the side of the Earth experiencing day is shaded light blue color, while the side that is experiencing night is in the shadow. Revolution of the Earth. What is revolution? The movement of the Earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. The Earth completes one orbit around the sun in 365.25 days. Duration of the Earth's revolution. Students, the seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth and the Earth's revolution. The Earth moves around the sun. The path around the sun is known as an orbit, and it takes 365.14 days, approximately 1 year, to complete one revolution around the sun. A calendar year is only 365 days, but there is a leap year once every 4 years. Students, the 1/4 days from each year are added together to make one day, and that extra day is added to February, thus giving it 29 days instead of the usual 28 days. What is meant by the terms solstice and equinoxes? The diagram below in the slide shows the two terms solstice and equinoxes. What is solstice? In the northern hemisphere, the sun reaches its highest point in the sky at midsummer, that is 21st June, and its lowest point at midwinter, that is 22nd December. Therefore, 21st June is the longest day of the year and the 22nd December is the shortest day of the year. Each of the two times is called the solstice. This process is the opposite in the southern hemisphere, where the longest day is on 22nd December and the longest night on 21st June. What is equinoxes? The word equinox is made up of two Latin words, equi meaning equal and nox meaning night. The length of a day and night are equal on this day of the year. The spring equinox, that is 21st March, marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. On 23rd September, day and night are of equal length. This day, called the autumn equinox, marks the beginning of autumn in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. Students, what is the difference between equinox and solstice? In simplest terms, an equinox represents a day with equal duration of day and night, that is March 21st and September 23rd, and thus we have a spring and a fall equinox. And solstice refers to a day with either the longest day, that is June 21st, also called summer solstice, or shortest day, that is December 21st, also referred to as winter solstice. Before moving towards the home task, I will share success criteria of the lesson. Remember to read new words with correct pronunciation, present written work in clear and legible handwriting, and observe the pictures and diagrams given in the textbook carefully. I hope you would have got your concept of Earth's movement clear. So let's have some homework. Search internet and learn more about rotation and revolution of the Earth. Make a booklet having information and pictures about it to share it with your friends. Write the meanings of any 7 difficult words on loose sheet. Use the given link. Submit your home task student.apms.pk.